Okay, using Google Drive. We're going to look at today is setting up your Google accounts, accessing your Google accounts for the first time. You've all got a Google account set up at Liswerry High School. So we're going to look at logging in to your Google accounts and using Google email. So if you haven't done so already, first thing you need to do is access your Google Drive, where the space you can save all the files that you create. Okay, number of ways of doing it. When you open a tab, okay, in Google, sometimes you will see a little rectangle, a little square made up of a number of smaller squares in the top right hand side. Okay, and if you see that, it's a Google Apps. You can click on it and you can select Google Drive. That will take you to the location where all your files are saved. I know I'm logged in because I can see my icon. Okay, there's my account, S Marshall, and my username is tsm@liswerryhigh.org. So whenever I see the black cat, I know I'm logged in. Okay, if you don't see the little grid, type Google Drive into the search bar and then you can search for it, and you can click on the link to Google Drive, google.com/drive, and you can go to your Google Drive from that route there. Okay, because I've already logged in, it's remembered me. If I now sign out, okay, it's asking me to sign in. The first thing I need to do is put my username in. Now my username is tsm@liswerryhigh.org. okay, but your username will be 17smit1p, okay, @liswerryhigh.org. So it's whatever your username is for the computer system at liswerryhigh.org. You'll then enter a password. Okay, I'll enter my password and you type password 1, okay, and click next. Password 1 is the password for the first time of use. Okay, so that's what it's been set at, and I log in and this gives me access to my Google Drive. And on the left hand side I've got my Google Drive and I've got a number of different folders that I've set up. Okay, and if I want to create a new folder, and you are going to create a new folder to save your Year 7 ICT work, you simply click on New Folder and you give it a name, Year 7 ICT, okay, and you click Create. I'm not going to create another one because I've got enough folders as it is. Okay, so hopefully that should be fairly straightforward, logging into your Google Drive. Okay, nice and simple. Then we can look at this new menu again. Alright, Google Docs give you the Google version of Microsoft Word. So if you've got a word process document you need to create, then Google Docs is the application you need. Google Sheets is Google's version of spreadsheet software, so Microsoft Excel. Google Slides, okay, is Google's version of PowerPoint. And then there are more. So we've got Google Forms. If you want to create a quick survey, you can use Google Forms. We've got Google Drawing, a little bit like Publisher. We've got Google Maps, Google Sites, and Pixel Editor. Okay, well, Google Maps, you know. Google Sites is for creating web pages, and Pixel Editor for editing images. So log in, have a little play around, and make sure you set up a folder called Year 7 ICT.